everyone, this is Vijay from gossipfunda. In this video, we see some common errors in our Git repository. So first step that you must download and install your Git repository in your system for using Git. So how we can check we have downloaded and installed or not in our system. So for that you have that right click menu. Here we have that Git base here and Git GUI here. If this is not appear in your drop down menu of right click, that it means it is not installed. One other option to check, go to your search bar, go for cmd and type here git space minus minus version. If this is not appear in your command after using this command, it means that git is not installed in your system. So first install git, and for how to install our git repository we already discussed in previous videos. Go and check out. So open git bash here. The second step we faced that if we write git add and space dot, it say that not a git repository. So first create your git repository after install. For we use git init enter. Use every command step by step. I hope no one can find any error to using git. So after that, if we check git status, this all files we have to commit in our git repository. So for that first step we must use that git add command. Without using git add command, git commit command does not work. So first let's check that git commit, then minus m, and then our comment is check, and then enter. Nothing to add, commit, but untracked file present. Okay, so untracked, this all are untracked file, nothing to commit. So first this so if we don't use git add and directly use that git commit command. So, and also remember one thing, that always check your spellings. What command you type, every single command spelling is most important in your command. If we write that git commit comm, you forgot enter I, then or first check git add and then dot, you forgot to use that git dot, or your file name, you must have use either dot or file name which you want to add in your git repository. So if you add that git add and then press enter, it's so like this. So for that we must use git add minus a, or you can use that space dot. This is the similar command for use. So now press, so let's go for capital A and enter. Now git status, this all files are added. Now for git commit, here you must use that small m. If you use capital M, then commit, that check. I hope it not working because it suggests us some commands. So we go for this all commands. So first it small m, must use small m and enter. This all file are in our, this all 7 files we add in our commit. So and then again check git status, nothing to commit. I hope you understand the errors, that how to fix, or how can we perfectly use our commands. Must use that the perfect command as well as always check the command spellings what you entered. If you missed some single letter from command, it does not execute. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to put your queries in our comment box, and check out our Gossip Funda blog for more interesting topic. Link in the description box. Please check out. Thank you.